Welcome to the next tutorial in the series Facial Rig using blend shapes and bit of scripts and everything. In this tutorial, we'll work on eyelids, eyelid controllers and all that stuff. The results will be something like this. These are the eyelids, can you see? You can come here or else you can go it down. You can always see how much variation you can do. And bit of open mouth. Okay, so now you know what we are going to do. So I'll open the file. We'll also work on, in this tutorial, I'll show you once again how to create the controllers so that if you miss something else, you will want. So I'll create a circle, rotate it 90 degrees, and then I'll change the value degrees to cubic, from to cubic to linear, and sections to 4, and 45 degrees. Once this is done, I'll freeze the transformation so that it sets to the proper angle. Now let's move it up. I'll use Control D, scale it and make it a little bit bigger in y-axis. This one I'll scale it and widen it. Now always freeze the transformations and clean it, and delete the history to make it clean and green. Now here I want 3 units and 3 units, so I'll just move to 3 units here. Okay, once I move to 3 units, now I know how much I need to scale this one. Once it is done, freeze the transformations. I'll make this as 0. Now select this object curve. I'll name this as right eyelid CTRL. Okay, now once you did it, I'll group to itself and modify center pivot, and this is a group. If I select this curve, select this name text, now select the curve, click up arrow, you'll go to the group, paste the title and change it to control to group. And also I'll select this word, I'll put min max. Once this is done, the next thing is select this controller, go to attribute editor, go to this option, and in translate I want it to limit translate y minimum and maximum to 3 and -3. So if I select it, that's it. Once this is done, because it's only moving in y-axis, so I'll select all the attributes except y, right click, lock and hide selected. Once it is done, you can go to the outliner. If you check here, I got this eyelid group and this is eyelid maximum. So select the minimum maximum and then control click on the group node, go to animation rigging or animation, you got to go and go to constraint point, see that maintain offset is on, add. So when I move this one, it will be moved. Once this is done, so if you select these two things, can you see now? Now select the two controllers, like that is the group node as well as the minimum maximum. I'll go to edit, duplicate special. Here you just need to activate one button called input graph connections. Duplicate input graph, not input connection, input graph. Apply and move it side. One more, move it side. Reset it and close it. Now here when you duplicate it, so this one, can you see it should be, change this to left, no 2. The same thing here, that should be left, remove the 2, and whereas this one should be center. I'll just call it as eyelid. You can put anything else, okay? Now, that's fine. Okay. Now, once this is done, I'll select this one. Now, select this curve, which is the minimum maximum. Right click, actions, template. Right click, actions, template. Actions, template. Now we got our controllers. Okay. Now, come back to the perspective view because now we need to create eyelids. Select the shape, go to Windows, Animation Editors, Shape Editor. Now create a new blend shape and it should be called eyelid underscore BS. Okay. Why it's called? Oh, I should call this eyebrow. Sorry. Sorry. Eyebrow BS because it's eyebrows. Now right click, add target. This is left eyebrow. Rather than left eyebrow, it's straightforward. Just put left up. Now select this thing, go to sculpting, double click on sculpt tool. Here, see that symmetry is off. Then move it up. Okay, it looks okay. Once you're happy, you can turn this off. Now select this thing, duplicate, flip it, remove the copy and change it to R. So R up is done. Next thing is, before going further down, what I will do is that I'll add a target and this called C up. That is center up. When you're working on center, turn your symmetry on, that is object X, and also maximize left up and R up so that you will know. Then you can move your see. So if I test it, that's fine. Now zero it out. Now right select this one, add a target. This time it should be left down, turn off. You don't need the symmetry. Okay. Now be careful. So I'm moving it down. Okay. If you want, you can still get it down. Let's take, if you're happy, turn this off, select it, duplicate it. This time it should be R copy, remove the copy, down, that's fine. And then flip it. Now you got this flips two things. Now go to the eyebrow, right click, add a target. This time it's C down. With both the downs active, I get an option to work on it. So this time I need to switch on my screen symmetry on. If you can see, I'm trying to. Okay, I'm trying to adjust it so that you can check it out. Right, this looks fine. Okay, now turn this off. So our rigs are ready. Now we'll try to link it with the script. Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay guys, let's do it. Now we'll try to link the blend shapes. So click on script. Here, I already wrote the script, but I'll explain you. Right now, this is, if you check this one, this is a controller. We are working on left controller. Can you see left eyelid controller? Okay, translate Y because it's Y. And the 003. And if you come here, it's left eyelid up. That is one thing which I changed here. If I come eyebrow, it's called, I changed it. So I think it's better we work on it. So I'll remove everything. Now the controller is left eyelid controller. Select it, paste it. Now the blend shapes, I'll come here, eyebrow, left up. If I just add some value in the script reader, we'll get the text, the title. So copy that one, paste it up. Now copy it. Now we know the value is 3 and -3, so I'll just change it to 3 and 1. Next, just copy these two lines. Here we'll change it to minus because it's rather than up, this should be down. Okay, it's straightforward thing. Next thing, I'll just copy one line once again. This time, this is right one, so right controller. And this one should be R. R up. Now copy this one, R up. This should be, when it's 3, 1. Copy these two lines. This should be down and down, -3. Because we know -3, the value should be 1. Next thing, we know it's C up, C down. So I can just copy these two lines. It's always good to work in single each individual line. That's good. Now this one, if you select this one, this is this one, value 1, and this should be blend shape, eyebrows, C up, copy, paste it. Now copy this line. Okay, here up, this is 3 and 1. Copy these two lines. This time it should be -3 and 1, but this should be down. It's straightforward, very simple, straightforward. Select all the lines, just run the code. It's linked now. If I select these lines, the controllers, it's done. Now I can move it. When it just goes down, I want a little bit eyes to open, and I want a little bit of snare. Eyeball should be seeing it a little bit down. Okay, and here It's a cunning smile, and then we can add a little bit of mouth open, and then lifting the. Okay, so you can do all this stuff now and start doing some test animations. It will really help you. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you got any queries, mail me. And if you would like to have some more information about the script and all the stuff, once again, you can mail me to ramforstudents@gmail.com. And my others, my students, regular students, just mail me or just meet me in the college. Bye. Cheers, guys.